Green horizons.
Pottery has been used for centuries to enhance garden and landscape aesthetics. With its variety of shapes, sizes, textures, and colors, pottery is an excellent addition to any outdoor space, offering both functionality and artistic flair. If you're interested in incorporating pottery into your landscape design, consider these tips for creating a unique and harmonious environment. 1. Choose a consistent theme. Start by selecting a consistent theme or style for your pottery. Whether it's rustic terracotta, contemporary ceramics, or traditional Asian-inspired pottery, a cohesive theme will give your landscape a unified look. This consistency can help tie together different elements within your garden and create a sense of harmony. 2. Vary the sizes and shapes. Mix and match pottery of various sizes and shapes to add visual interest to your landscape. Large pots can be used as focal points, while smaller ones can be clustered or placed along pathways. Incorporate different shapes, like round, square, or cylindrical pots, to keep the design dynamic and engaging. 3. Create pottery groupings. Consider grouping pottery together to create distinct visual areas within your landscape. Grouping can be an effective way to highlight specific plants or features, and it allows you to experiment with different combinations. Try grouping pots of varying heights or mixing smooth and textured pottery to add depth and dimension to your garden. 4. Use pottery for vertical interest. Pottery isn't limited to the ground. Incorporate vertical elements by using pottery on stands, shelves, or wall-mounted brackets. This approach can create additional layers within your landscape and draw the eye upward, making your garden feel more expansive. Consider hanging pots on garden trellises or using pottery towers to add height.
Thanks for watching.
Damn.
Don't forget to subscribe.